Hello guys, welcome back to Automaz channel. The 2025 Yamaha MT-07 Sunset Ride edition brings a new level of excitement to the world of naked motorcycles. With its aggressive design, upgraded technology, and exclusive Sunset Ride color scheme, this model is built for riders who crave style, performance, and everyday usability. Yamaha has refined what was already a beloved machine into a bolder, more modern masterpiece, and it shows in every detail. At the heart of the MT-07 Sunset Ride is the iconic 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, renowned for its torque-rich delivery and responsive power band. It produces around 74 horsepower and 49 lb-ft of torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising on open highways. Yamaha's cross-plane philosophy makes the engine feel connected and smooth, offering a visceral riding experience that's hard to match in its class. What truly sets the 2025 MT-07 apart is its unique Sunset Ride Edition design. With a combination of warm, metallic orange hues and matte black finishes, it evokes the freedom of golden hour rides. Subtle graphic accents and a custom seat design add to the bike's character, making it not only a performance machine but also a head-turner wherever it goes. Yamaha has made significant improvements in rider technology. The Sunset Ride Edition comes equipped with a new full-color TFT display, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional ride modes that adjust throttle response for varying conditions. LED lighting all around not only enhances visibility but adds a modern flair to its striking silhouette. Handling is nimble and confidence-inspiring, thanks to its lightweight frame and well-balanced chassis. The 2025 MT-07 Sunset Ride features a revised suspension setup for better ride comfort and cornering performance. Combined with powerful front and rear disc brakes with ABS, it provides excellent stopping power and control even in challenging riding environments. For everyday use, the MT-07 shines with an ergonomic riding position that's both sporty and comfortable. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a weekend escape, this bike adapts to your lifestyle. The fuel tank capacity of 3.7 gallons gives it a decent range, and at just under 406 pounds wet, it's approachable for new riders yet engaging for seasoned enthusiasts. As for the price, the 2025 Yamaha MT-07 Sunset Ride is expected to start at around $9,199, making it one of the best value propositions in the middleweight naked category. With its perfect blend of performance, design, and affordability, this edition of the MT-07 is not just a motorcycle. It's an invitation to chase sunsets and make every ride unforgettable.